Alright guys, sorry I got a little distracted and forgot that I promised to make a removal and install video. So anyways, on these 2003 Ram 1500s, for the removal of the main part of the dash pad, which is this front section right here, you have to come over here on the driver's side, and that left side air vent with the light controls, that pops out. Then you have to come over here, pull the glove box out, along with your center part of the console, which goes around your stereo and everything. And on top of all that, in order to get the airbag out to start removing the dash, this little piece right here that houses your glove box and your cup holder and ashtray, you got about 15 to 20 screws you have to run through and take out, and they are all over the place. But anyways, once you get all that done, you have, I don't know if y'all be able to see it or not, you have 4 screws up here. Well, 4 bolts. You have one here, one here, you also have one there, and one all the way over here that you have to take out to remove the airbag assembly, which is a pain. Now, once you have all that done, then you can pop your little caps off for your oh crap bars. Take those 2 bolts out. Same thing on the driver's side. And these will just yank out once you do that. Once you have that done, you can come up here with your body panel puller, or if it's already busted up like mine, you can just beat that out. Once that's out, which I'll start the video back up again, I'll show you the rest of how to remove this and the start of putting it back in. So, until then, bon voyage. Alright guys, so I'm back. It didn't take as long as I thought it would. It was actually pretty quick to get that front part of the dash pad assembly out. Now all that's left is removing this hunk of crap, which, as you can tell, there's screws all the way around it. Also, one more piece left to remove: instrument cluster cover, which is just held in by 2 screws here and here. So once that's out and out of the way, there's going to be a little bit more to the project, and if I'm right, it's going to involve a little bit more fun. The air vents for the dash, for the defrost that come out the sides, have to be removed from the bottom part of the dash and reattached to the new dash assembly, which is, yay, more fun. Anyways, once I get that out and start that process, I'll start up another video to show you. Alright, hey everybody. Sorry, I got my work email sent out to me and I kind of lost track of doing the video. But anyways, I already got the main dash pad in. Looks really great, but it's more of a headache than it's worth. And I just finished putting in the rear part of the dash pad, which butts up against the front windshield. And as you can tell, it fits in there real good. Now, I spent about 45 minutes on the phone with LMC Truck where I ordered the dash pad through. Now, this was advertised as gray, and the Dodge color is dark slate gray. Well, my interior is a dark slate gray, which is virtually black. This is a light gray. So, not only are they not going to do anything to remedy the situation, I'm out $468. So the only way I can make it match is if I spray paint it this weekend. But that's besides the point. Anyways, I am finally to the point where I can start putting this headache back together. So the first part in putting this back together is this part right here, which is what holds your cup holder, your ashtray, and your glove box. Once that's in, well, no, wait, no, I'll take that back. I'm sorry. Your passenger airbag goes in first. Your passenger airbag and all that kind of stuff. Then this whole assembly piece right here goes in because it hides the screws and everything. Once that's in, then I can put the cup holder back in, the ashtray back in, finish screwing it up, and then put my center console bezel back around my stereo and all that good stuff. And the truck will be done. But honestly, if you guys ever want to do something like this on a Ram, since they're becoming famous for their two-part dashes, just buy a dash cover. It's a lot easier, it's a lot quicker, and the project won't take as long. Anyways, I'll see you guys when I'm done putting it all back together so you can see the finished product. Hey everybody. So,
I thought you had to get one.
Anyways,
it takes a while.
After a while of fighting,
Yeah.
Hey, the man who refused to die, is that
interior
actually the rules? It's not that
is all back together finally. And if you look right here,
Earlier today, I don't know if you read it or not.
this is why I was getting into it with LMC
because
Truck.
of people talking about products in their videos that are not sponsors of
My
YouTube.
interior, sorry about that, my interior is a dark slate gray from factory. What LMC Truck sent me, what they're trying to say is dark slate gray. So once again, I'm out almost $500 for their screw up. So I will probably end up spending the weekend spray painting all that I just put in. But anyways, that's going to be it. Sorry, kind of had to get everything put back together because I gotta get to bed and get to work in the morning. But if all goes well, tomorrow's supposed to be a very short day. I gotta take a truck out to Tulsa and drop it off. So I will hopefully have time to do a live stream tomorrow afternoon. Anyways, first time to the channel, go down, subscribe, hit the little bell for notifications, and also if you enjoy the video, hit the like button. But that's going to be it for me tonight, and I'll see you guys later.